When thinking of buying your first car, I know so many things run to your mind, and you actually think, do I buy a Toyota? Do I buy a Nissan? Do I buy a Mazda? Do I buy, a BMW? Do I buy a Mercedes? And well, definitely today I bring to you to one of those cars that actually people consider whenever they're getting to, buy their first car, because there are actually so many factors to consider. You have to consider the price of the car, the maintenance cost of the car, and of course, the parts, are they readily available in Kenya? And of course, the car that you buy, if you want to sell it in the future, does it have a higher resale value? And that is definitely why today I bring to you a video that brings to you a cars for first time car owners, or as well we can call them cars on a budget. And so guys, kickstarting it on for the first time car buyers, we bring to you a very clean Toyota Vitz. This car is mostly preferred by those people who want to buy a car, and of course they don't want to spend so much money when it comes to fueling the car, and of course when it comes to the costings, it's 100% pocket friendly. What do I mean by saying pocket friendly? Legally, you will never break your pocket whenever you're getting to fuel this car. Starting from the purchasing, it's actually very cheap because it's only going for 590,000 Kenyan shillings. Coming to fueling, the engine is as small as 1300cc. Not too big, not too small. So it's actually there in the middle. So when you fuel around 2,000 Kenyan shillings and you live in Syokimau, you work in Karen, that's definitely 2,000. Iko sawa na wewe for kind of like a whole week, in case weekends utembei na buddies here and there. The body type of the car is more of a station wagon, but the boots look more of like a hatchback. And yes, this is not a car to pamper in so many things on, the interior, being on the sitting position and the boot space. The boot space is not as big as you'd get in a similar car like the Akina Toyota Fielder and all that. But yes, now come to the interior, where the owner, the first time car buyer, will be enjoying most of their time. You actually don't get too many fancy things right over here. You get your radio, to listen to, what's happening in the country. Ukienda kazi, automatic transmission, and only ACs. Multifunctional, the steering, hakuna. Well, this is what you get with 590,000 Kenyan shilling. But of course, you can see the seats are actually very fabric, with a very good headroom and a legroom. And yes, with that said, that is car number one for, first time car buyers. So what's car number two? Let's go find it together. Car number two, we bring to you a very clean 2013 year of model Nissan March. Well, it is most likely still a first time car owner, because also the cost of maintaining this car is at its own minimal. Still has the same body type of the Toyota Vitz. I actually feel like most of how this car looks like and the other one, they actually copied each other. But well, this one is also a car for mkulima mdogo. Why do I say that? Because it also has a very small engine, 1300cc. That means the hesabu yenye tulikuwa tumepiga in that other car, fueling 2,000, living in Syokimau and working in Karen, can still serve you for a whole good week. Well, the clearance of this particular one here, I feel it's a bit bigger than of the one compared to the Toyota Vitz. And yes, now come to where the owner of the car really enjoys most of their time. But of course, before we get to the interior, how do you see the color that's actually painted? Does it look girly? You can actually consider it there if you're a Nairobi buddy. Well, let us know in the comment section down below. Okay, come to the interior. I feel like this one is more fancier than the Toyota Vitz, because I mean, you get some really good coffee holders right over here, a stereo system that actually iko mapped vizuri, ni kama unaweza ingoa na uweke an infotainment system just in case you want to enjoy the screens right over here. But I mean, this is newer because this is 2013 and the other one was 208. Coffee holders, automatic transmission, and beige seats, beige fabric seats with a very good headroom and a legroom. And yes, come to the back. In case you are a young mom, well, you can see already where you can actually store your book in case you're a reader, and a few socks here and there ukipatana na mtu wa kuuza socks, and a headroom and a legroom with no many things, and we missed an armrest. Of course, this car is not as expensive as you think. This car is only going for 580,000 Kenyan shillings. Remember, this is Nissan March 2013 year of model, 1300cc petrol, up on sale at only 580,000 Kenyan shillings. Well, let's go to car number three. Well, car number three, I bring to you to a very commonly loved compact, cheap And I say again, compact, cheap sedan called the Nissan Tiida. This particular one right over here. Actually, this one came in two different trims. We have the sedan ones. That's the sedan. You remember the video I did explaining the difference between a sedan and a hatchback. And of course, we also have the other trim of the sedan. So like this particular one here is also a car that doesn't have too much, you know, cost when it comes to buying, because it's actually a bit cheaper kidogo, because like this particular one here only wants 610,000 Kenyan shillings only. And of course, when it comes to fueling the car, not as big as, you know, diving deep into your pocket, because the engine capacity is only 1500 cc. Well, the looks gives it a bit, you know, look more. It's a car that you can actually drive. If it's your first time car, people would think that you actually have money. This one is not as the Vitz or the Nissan March, because this one looks more of a bigger body type, but of course the car is as well as cheap. And of course the grilling and the clearance is also very intact as of compared to the one for the Nissan March and the Toyota Vitz. Anyway, so this is it. Engine capacity under the hood, I've already told you, it's 1500 cc. Now, can we head to the interior where the owner of the car really enjoys most of their time? But this one has a bigger boot space than the Nissan March and the Toyota Vitz. So if you are someone who's looking forward to, you know, considering a bigger boot space because of carrying cargos here and there, or umetoka soko nini, placing your items right over there, this is a car that you can actually consider. Come to the interior. I feel like the spacing is good as of compared to the other two units, being that this is your first time car, because I feel like this one has more comfort. The headroom is very big, and of course you can see how my legs look like, very big. I feel a bit comfortable, but as well as we really still miss an armrest for a first time car with only 620,000 Kenyan. You can't get an armrest hapa nyuma, hata mbele bado upati. This is automatic, but of course, as well as it looks, it has some really good beiged fabric interior, and the year of model of this particular one here, based that it is a KCK, it is 2009. Up on sale. It's automatic transmission with some really good coffee holders right over here, just in case you're sitting on the back and you need to enjoy some sips right over here. You can enjoy, you know, your storage compartment for the coffee here, and an automatic transmission and an extra storage compartment right over here. Being that the car is a 2009 year of model, you can actually enjoy an infotainment system and extra storage compartment right over there. So that has been car number 3, the Nissan Tiida. So can we go to car number 4? And of course you can actually tell us from the Toyota Vitz, the Nissan Note and the Nissan Tiida, which one do you consider before we go to number 4. Let's go to car number 4. And car number 4, it is a car that has actually been loved by, you know, the people who are in the mirror transportation business. Well, Vaite Morome, it is your car called the Toyota Probox. So this car has actually been loved by many, in terms of, even if it is not your first time car, people will actually still buy this car, even if they own like 8 cars, 10 cars, and most likely people who own businesses. Well, it has a reason to that. Why? This car has in production for quite some time. The body type haijabadilika. It's kind of like looks similar even when the year of models zinaenda zikibadilika, but it is a car that has never come out of Kenyans' love because of what? First of all, the reliability with this particular unit. It is called the Toyota Probox. It will be very reliable. You can for sure get minimal problems whenever you're getting to drive with this car, even in the most toughest areas. And of course, they actually say it is, you know, a workhorse on a budget. Second of all, it has one of the largest boot spaces. And of course, on the back, if people aren't sitting there, you can actually still extend the boot space to be bigger. Third of all, maintenance. It is a Toyota. Toyota maintenance is actually still 100%. And of course, when it comes to purchasing the car, it is not as expensive. Like this particular one here is a 2007 year of model Toyota Probox, only going for 630,000 Kenyan shillings, with the best ground clearance, most originally painted right over here. So if you are a person who needs a car that can serve multi-purpose, it can be a family car, and of course, if your business needs to do deliveries here and there, you need a car that can also serve that purpose. Well, this is the car that you should consider. Well, you want to see how it looks like on the interior? Well, come. On this particular unit, on the interior, you don't get as much as fancier things as you'd want to get. But of course, I said it's a car most likely for people who own businesses. So it's a car moving from point A to point B with the most minimal problems. So what you get on the interior, a very good headroom and legroom. And you know, a speedometer that tells you that this car can actually run from 0 to 180 kilometers in only 1 hour, with so many, you know, well working AC and dual ACs, and a stereo radio that of course you can actually still customize it for you for the aftermarket version of it. Work at the, you know, the screen, where we also call it the infotainment system, storage compartments, and some really good SRS airbag. And of course, ukiwa kwa barabara umeka miraa mpaka juu unakimbia, well, you're still going to be on a safer side because the car is actually well fitted with SRS airbag. And of course, the best thing about it, your son can drive it, your wife can drive it, or your older or younger brother can actually still drive this car even if they don't have a driving license. Why do I say that? Because it is an automatic transmission unit, where also it comes up with some really good coffee holders and some really beiged fabric interior. And yes, on the back, the seat is leathered, and that is what I was telling you, that you can actually lalisha that seat just to extend the boot space in case you need this car to serve the purpose of doing deliveries for your business. That has been car number 4, the Toyota Probox 2007 year of model, selling it at only 630,000 Kenyan shillings. Before I introduce you to car number 5, you might be wondering, what is this? This is called buffing, and this is one of the after-sales services that you actually do to some of our clients who take cars or purchase cars from Terrava Adventures. And yes, now let's go to car number 5. Well, I bring to you a car that has actually been loved by many. It is most definitely, you know, preferred to a small car, but the energy or the power that you get with this particular one here is massive. I introduced to you the Toyota Auris. So this particular one here is a 2007 year of model Toyota Auris KCB 437W with, you know, a hatchback body type. And yes, it's locked. A very big, I mean, boot space right over there that can actually accommodate a few stuff and here and there. And apart from the Probox, to all the other units that you have actually reviewed, this is the second when it comes to the boot space, and it has an engine capacity of 1500 cc. Again, not too big, not too small. 3,000 Kenyan shillings, but this is not a car for most likely people who want to, you know, put so many things to, you know, transporting goods with this particular one here. This is more considered of a family car to a first time car buyer, or, you know, a bachelor who wants to take their girlfriend out here and there every other weekend. So when you come to the interior, I mean, this car, I feel like they actually copied the style of the Lexus right over here on how the, you know, cockpit have actually been designed. Looks like the cockpit of a plane or the cockpit of a Lexus LX, you know, 300T. Anyway, it's automatic transmission with some really good, well working ACs and dual ACs at the same time, and a stereo system. And of course, if you want to customize to the infotainment one, you can as well achieve that. Well, one funny thing or one cool thing about this particular one here, and it beats the other cars that you have actually shown previously, is the fact that being in this car, where was your landlord? Why do I say that? Because you actually don't need any keys to start this car. It has a keyless entry. Yes, keyless entry with a very good headroom and a legroom at the same time, and some really good, well beiged fabric interior, and an extra storage compartment, and a fancy handbrake. Yes, that has been car number what? Car number 5. How much are we selling this car? We are only selling this car at 880,000 Kenyan shillings. 2007 year of model Toyota Auris, and it is an all-wheel drive AWD with an engine capacity of 1500 cc. Are you ready for a very loved car in Nairobi? That brings us to car number 6 in the world of Mazda. Let's get into it. And now, guys, welcome to car number 6, the most loved small cute babe called the Mazda Demio. Yes, I bring to you, and of course, unajua warembo wote wakituambia, oh, nitafutie Mazda, either it's a CX-3, it's a CX-5, it's a Mazda 2, you know, they always say, I want the wine red one. And yes, you actually have that for you right over here. It's actually wine red or maroon or whatever color you may want to give it up. Yes, it's actually here for car number 6 with the most reliable engine of Sky Active technology. 1300cc, as well as it's really cost friendly when it comes to, you know, fueling the car, and as well as maintaining the car. If it's not a car for really too many drivers, it's like 2, 3, 4, 2, not 3, 4, 3 and 4 actually many. It's like a car for being driven by one person or two people. It's actually a car that can actually really last long. In case siku ya service ikifika, wewe peleka gari yako service alafu wacha gari kuserve. Anyway, this is it. It's a 2013 year of model. The fact that you can actually see it's KCW with a very good ground clearance. It's not the newer model, but of course, yes, it's a good car that has actually been loved by many people. A body type, it's more of like a station wagon and a hatchback kind of a boot. Yes, a big boot space as of compared to the one for the Toyota Vitz. Now I'd want to take you to the interior to see what you can actually achieve with this particular one here. And yes, now welcome to the interior of this particular Mazda Demio. It's automatic transmission and it beats up the rest because it has multifunctionals on the steering, because it has an infotainment system. But of course, you can control that while you're driving without, you know, being distracted, bringing your hands right over here. While still on the road, you can actually still have multifunctional for your infotainment system. The headroom and the legroom is intact. And on the dash, it actually tells you that it can actually go from 0 to 180 kilometers per hour. And yes, storage compartments for your dogs, well, SRS airbag on point, and others right over here, and some really good beige fabric interior, and a coffee holder right over here. Only one. Like, why did you have to put only one? But well, that is a car for a first time car owner, and this one only goes for 650,000 Kenyan shillings. 2013 year of model, 1300cc Mazda D, or you may want to call it the Mazda Demio. And to people who put their business first and then they come second, well, they can actually come and purchase this particular Toyota Dyna 2013 year of model KCW up on sale at Terava Adventures. And one of the best things about this particular one here, it is, you know, a truck, and of course it is automatic transmission unit. Very, very clean. It's actually locked, and can actually show them right over here. Hii ni gari iko ready kuingia na kufanya biashara. Can actually use this to, you know, store your farm products if you're in that kind of business. Na tunakupatia gari ikiwa mpaka na spare tires ngapi? 3. Anyway, has a very good ground clearance and an extra spare tire again right over here. Toyota Dyna, and this car only wants 1.25 million Kenyan shillings. Engine type 1TR engine. So that has been it, us bringing to you cars that you can actually get as a first time car buyer. In case you're in business, you want to buy a car for the business, maybe for the logistics and all that, this might be the best perfect for you. A car ya kujibeba. We have talked about the Mazda Demio, the Nissan March, and the Toyota Vitz. And of course, for cars for bachelors or, you know, young families, tumeleta vitu kama kina Toyota Auris. And for a person who's in business as well, wants a car that is multifunctional for their business and for their family, we brought to you the Toyota Probox. So you can let us know what you think about that particular video or all those kind of cars. Which one do you really think suits you best, or which one do you really think we should have mentioned in the comment section down below? And of course, that has been it. This is Terava Adventures, always bringing to you on matters to do with cars. And basically what we do, we sell cars. You already know where to find all the cars that you have actually shown you. Can go to www.teravaadventures.com, in the best car selling website in Eastern Central Africa. And of course, if you want to reach us out, the number is always on the bio on our social media platforms. Subscribe and leave your comments down below.